I bottomed out like so hard just now. Oh, we can't park here.
Why not?
Reserve parking, electric vehicles only.
I drive one.
Oh yeah. Smells like antifreeze. Let me see this thing. Little for the homies. Little for the homies.
Oh, dude, you can't.
Time is winding down. You are getting ready to leave. So what do you feel like doing?
I feel like we should go visit the 1874 Exodus style edition brick wall.
We're gonna go find your wall.
Yeah, we need to go lick it.
So where's that at? That's Oceanside?
Yeah.
And I guess we'll just go down there. We'll figure out somewhere to eat down there.
Aye, aye, sir.
What's up, sir? How are you today? Oceanside. I like Oceanside. Why is that blue car just totally stopped? Was it a Prius? To that white line. Oh, you cheating son of a bitch. Yikes. That hasn't happened in a while, has it? That was pretty cool. Oh, God. Well, look at all the police. That sucks. Out of my way, Prius. Oh, that hurt, dude. Wait a minute. Is that a Rubino's Pizza? Oh, dude.
Hang on, what is this bullshit? It was some stupid ass pet store with like lizards and weird shit. We were supposed to go like hold them. Thing's on, dude.
Really?
Yeah, dude, it was right there.
Now it's a vet.
Some stupid ass vet.
So let me tell you about Rubino's. This is the best pizza you'll ever eat.
Crazy Mafia.
Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
Want to go in here and get a slice?
Okay.
I think they have a lunch special too. All right. I think they do slice. Rubino's Pizza. I can't believe we stumbled onto this place. This is by far one of my favorite pizza places of all times. The one by my house, they closed. There was one in Santa Ana, that one closed. This might be the last one standing. I think we're in Ladera Ranch. Check out Rubino's Pizza. You guys won't be disappointed. It's so good. You're like me, you just can't have anything nice.
No, dude.
I wouldn't want anything nice because then you're afraid to touch it.
Look, our shit looks way cooler, dude.
I think so too.
I like that car. I like your car.
You like my car?
Yeah, don't you?
I love my car.
That's good. Okay, bye. I love you.
The Clip came in here because he thought there was like lizards or something. There wasn't. So we stumbled onto the pizza joint. And I was okay with that. Okay, that pizza joint's on the corner of Oso and Marguerite, Mission Viejo. I just realized we stopped and ate food on our way to eat food. America. Slug bug pop. Usually I have a lot to say. I don't have shit to say today. Alright, we made it to Oceanside in probably record time, to be honest. Hey, we were going pretty quick. What is happening? What are you doing? Did you almost fall? I think the stupidest shit is funny sometimes. Oh man.
Which one's yours?
They're all mine. Is there a restaurant around here we should be eating at?
Oh, that's Joe's Crab Shack, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty generic shit.
We can't go there.
We cannot. But it looks like there's some other stuff over there.
No, dude, we gotta go through a tunnel. We gotta rev in and they're gonna call the cops.
Okay. We're gonna look for a tunnel. Right on, Clevy. Right on. Dude, look at how cheap gas is here.
It's always been like that at that station.
Wow, $3.73, man. This makes me think how much we're getting ripped off in Orange County. Gas by us is like $4.10. Not that he gives a shit, he drives a Prius. I drive a full-size truck with a V8. Oh, here's his wall. You haven't seen this wall since '73, huh?
It's been a minute. Just like I left it.
Just like you left it.
Let's put some more sticks in here. People need to tag us because I always want to know where the stuff goes, like all that stuff we put at Bob.
Yeah.
Nobody tagged us in anything, but I know it's gone.
Yeah, you guys gotta start tagging us. You gotta make it fun for us too.
Yeah. We're gonna put it in the trifexus. If you find this, you better tag me in it. See, they don't go far in, dude.
What's up, brother? How are you?
Pretty good. How you guys doing?
Good, man. What's up?
Oh, you're leaving anyway.
I'm leaving, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the last time I'll be down here.
Let's
This
hear it.
lovely wall.
We're gonna go eat food. Where's the best place to eat around here?
I just went to go get pho. So.
Was it good?
It was pretty good, yeah.
Where's your favorite taco spot?
Primos.
Nice to see you again, sir.
Yeah, good to meet you, man.
All right, Caleb, this is your town. What are we doing?
We gotta go get some food.
I hear there's a really good pizza place in Mission Viejo called Rubino's.
We should go there instead.
Some fine and dandy hair. I like people in California. People in California are pretty awesome. Look at the ocean. I want to rent one of these things. How do you do that?
What's your guess on how much that costs?
I was just thinking that.
We gotta look it up. We gotta know.
Oh, gross. I don't know. Something about being this close to the water scares the shit out of me. You know, with like tsunamis and shit. California is prone to earthquakes. If you didn't already know. Pedaling uphill sucks. Pretty sure in California, to live a decent life, you have to be rich. Oh, I totally ran the shit out of that. Hi. Would you like a sticker?
Yeah.
Here you go. Enjoy. Senior Grubs? All right. Come on in.
You're waking up your mind, dude.
This looks like a good spot to me.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do a cheesesteak burrito and California burrito. And I'll try one of your famous tacos. All right, so we pulled in here on your behalf and pretty disappointed, Clebby.
No, you're not. This is like one of the best places you've ever been.
You're so full of shit.
You didn't even finish your food, so I bought it.
That was a cheesesteak burrito?
Steak. Why wouldn't you finish this?
I don't know. It wasn't very good.
Oh, good.
I didn't like it. So we got a cheesesteak burrito and a California burrito. California burrito was dry as shit. That was all right. I guess out of the two, that's probably the best. And then I got like a famous little street taco and 2 drinks. It all came out to what, $34? Senior Grubbies. Won't be back. However, if you're into like Radiohead and that shit, this is probably your spot. It's for extra sensitive people. Senior Grubs. I wanted to like this place. I just didn't. Even their world famous street taco wasn't that great.
Stupid. It was too healthy and like vegan.
It did taste healthy. Like, most people would be like, wow, this tastes really fresh and good.
No, my mom probably would.
Right, and I'm like, no.
I just want to go to McDonald's. I want burgers that are like sit in sick.
Like the heat lamp.
Like with flies on them.
Yeah, I don't know about flies. RBK likes butterflies. Senior Grubs. Again, sorry man. I wanted to like this place, but I didn't. Might be kind of a cool place to sit down with some buddies and have some beers. What up, soldier? I bottomed out like so hard just now. Oh, we can't park here.
Why not?
Reserve parking, electric vehicles only.
I drive one.
Oh yeah. People trip out when you walk into stores with helmets on these days. You know what I'm gonna get?
What?
I'm gonna get Pac-Man Red Bull.
Those are expensive.
They're better.
Pac-Man.
Red Bull's stepping it up, dude. They were getting passed in the flavor department. They're coming around, man. All right, buddy. I'll hit you up a little later. See ya. Enjoy. Bye. Well, fun day. Not a whole lot happened, but we had some pizza, we had some burritos, saw some ocean, hit the freeway. Yeah, so with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure if you're enjoying these videos, share them around, pass them around, let your friends know, let them know how much fun we're having over here. Maybe show them a different video, because this video, not that awesome. Want to remind you, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bikes over there. We have a lot of fun, It's a big crash fest. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. I love each and every one of you. You guys help keep me motivated, and your support helps me tremendously. If you haven't yet, check out my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. And let's all support the channel partners. Remember guys, they can spend their money any way they want. They choose to market their businesses through Suburban Delinquent. We got Chaparral Moto, keeping the bikes on the road. The law offices of Henry Haddad, keeping me out of trouble. Voss Helmets, keeping me safe. And LUIMOTO, keeping my bike looking good. Bye guys, later.